Hi, it's John. I'm going to introduce today is MapMaker. So LabDB and omnidanet.eu and MapMaker. This is my URL and application is coming up. So this application, what you can do is basically import and output. This is export. Yeah, two types and manipulation here. So import is as a type. For example, here I'm living in Victoria, Melbourne. So state library. So just type and yeah, here you go. You can add more here. Mm, South Bank. Yeah. So you can get the marker from here, but this is pretty much painful. It's fine. So just clear. You can delete by right click. Yes. You can also click all markers from here. So what I want to do is just from here grab some addresses. Maybe I'm going to create Google document and copy and paste pretty much. Just sanitize some your data. For example, this one I don't need. So just delete. So and maybe I need one more column. And some data is actually wrong. So you need to check this must be correct. Otherwise, Google does not know that where it is. So I'm writing Victoria or all the time. Yeah, full address is best way. Yeah. So there's more. Yeah. And I'm going to join these columns. So equal delimiter is space. Is using space. You can use comma as well. And A1 to E1. Yeah, done. So we just copy this function. Here you go. So we get the all addresses. And then let's go back to application here. One is importing way is paste. So paste is basically paste just before one you made. Yeah. So import, then it a little bit take time. Yeah, pretty much good. Yeah, you can see here 94 markers. Markers is basically your one addresses. So if you see is 94, so this is correct. But some addresses seems like it says suspicious markers. So color is different. Y is the Golf Kingsbury. So our data was where is Golf? Yeah. It does not have suffix. So just Golf. It can be Golf Avenue or Golf Street, anything. So Google does not know that. So it says suspicious. So we just click this one because pretty much this one is right. So okay. And if it's wrong, you can move this one to somewhere another. Yeah. So done. Let's go to the next one is McDonald's. I think this is right. So okay. Yeah. All done. So we just remove suspicious markers and here is markers clustering. Basically, let you check. So how many is, yep, 90 and 94. So we check the same with 94. So let you understand which area has more markers. So if you zoom out, 94. If you zoom in, you separate a little bit and a little bit. So today we are going to make here is Kingsbury area. So I'm going to make some polygons. Polygon is like some territory. Uh, so pretty much 12 is here and a little bit here. So I'm going to create polygon here. It said 9. Yeah, it can be wrong. So you need to check because this is clustering is for your just convenience. It doesn't necessarily mean it's correct. So yeah, because you close to here, so clustering said it's 13, but it doesn't necessarily mean like this. So it's wrong. So what you can do is next, just move a little bit polygon here. Yep. Then 16 markers. Yep, you got it. So here is 16 markers, and next we create another version of polygon. Yeah. And let's see, it's 11. So we want to add more. I make sure this is not actually included. So yeah, just make a little bit. Yep. So all included, and 16 markers and 14 markers. Yeah. So and then we are going to do the next stage is just save file. So you can save file here as Kingsby. I'm going to just overwrite here, and please let me folder me. Okay, I came back. So we create one is 16 and one is 14. So let's create one more here. From here to yes. So oh, seems like something is overwrapped. Yep, this house is overwrapped. So I'm going to a little bit change a little bit down. Then this conclude. This is include. Yeah, this house is a little bit. 13, 16. Yeah. Then 4, yeah, 40s. Oh, and what is next? Next is, yeah, let's create, we already saved the file. So you can save to your web browser, and also you can save to file as well. And PDF is actually generate. So web name is Kingsbury and export. So you can see log here. Mobile version does not show this log area, but from here you can see something is working on it. So let's wait a second. Yeah, here we go. So there was, this is export file, and you can see your generated polygon areas and 3 pages, and each name here. So that's all.